Johnson County in north-central Texas, southeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, southwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northeastern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oak Trail shores, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benbrook, Edgecliff Village, Burleson, Fort Worth, Forest Hill, Acton, Crowley, Wapples, Tentop, Rendon, Horseshoe Bend, Oak Trail Shores, Stockton Bend, Edgecliff, Granbury, Tolar, Benrock Lake, Everman, Lake Granbury, and Godley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 32 and 52. Interstate 20 between mile markers 424 and 441. Interstate 30 between mile markers 9 and 17. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud.